That's right, guys, we're no longer in Los Angeles, we're here in Japan, Fuji Speedway, guys. Check this out, got the ultimate hookup from Chris Morrison. Apparently, I'm a Ferrari owner. We're gonna be here for 2 days, today and tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. We got the Corsic TNT Ferrari F1 cars rolling out right now, guys. And on cue, just like that, the Scene of Beauty, check that out! Oh my god damn! I'm like yelling right now, you can't even fucking hear me! Special trip here in Japan, we're here for a week and a half. Exclusive content, guys, that's right. That's what an F1 car should sound like, guys. Let's get some footage here. The guy next to me got scared. Alright guys, we're at the end of the straightaway here at the Fuji Speedway. Here they come. Alright. Check out this color on this FXXK, number 17. Not really sure what the color code is, but holy shit. It's a Thing of Beauty, guys. Thing of Beauty. And we've got a matte black one here, too. The Evo. For the VIP lot here, we got a matching 70th anniversary 4 at 8. And there we go. Boom. Cali T, baby. I think we just found one of the nicest TDFs here. It's got blue carbon accents. Holy smoke-a-roni, dude. This is actually really, really nice. It's hard to see the dark blue carbon, but there you go. Zooming in a little bit. I don't have my polarizer on. I messed up, guys, but yeah, enjoy that. Take it all in. Got a Bianco birdcage color bespoke California T, guys. This is the highest spec California I've personally seen in my entire life. Check out the wheels, dude. Like matte blue with the white outline. What a color. What a spec. We're here at the Fuji Ferrari Racing Days, and this man has showed up in a Lamborghini. Absolutely no fucks given, guys. Don't worry, we're gonna come back to this lot here. We're currently looking for the J50s that are supposed to be running amok. Someone's a little lost. We got an Energy Motorsports i8. Check out this kit. Something else, huh? Holy. Oh. I will not mind an F12 in this particular spec, guys. It's absolutely perfect. The trio of the ultimate Blue Crew cars here at the parking lot. Oh, it's got tinted headlights. In a sea of red Ferraris here, guys, this man right over here has decided to take a stand against Resale Red. Check out this spec and the striping too. Pretty damn unusual. And of course, the wheels and the calipers. What a damn spec on the 458 Speciale. Ooh, carbon shield as well. Well done, good sir. Americans, don't take this the wrong way, but dude, Americans honestly just really don't know how to spec their Ferraris. Over in Japan, different story, guys. Nice wheels, nice color. By the way, speaking of Ferrari owners, that's right, guys. Boom. Check out this color on this TDF. White. Ooh, Challenge Stradale 16M. Dude, there's some pretty good stuff here, man. There's some really nice Ferraris and specs here at the parking lot. Of course, we're gonna be checking out the VIP lot pretty soon. By the way, it's actually really, really hot and humid. It's around 90 degrees plus, 85% humidity. So, dude, I'm sweating it out for you guys. Dude, check this out. You're not gonna see this in America. Look at the diffuser and the freaking wing on this F430. It's a thing of beauty, guys. Ooh, now that's a clean 355. We saw one the other day in this exact color. Let's get a start up. Nice. Even on the Rolls Royces, this is purple. That's baller. By the way, there's a white LaFerrari right behind me, or behind the Rolls Royce. Right over there. Like I said, it is quite humid and hot. We're hiding in the shade right over here on the 3rd floor paddock. But according to the schedule right here, guys, there's a supercar parade happening relatively soon, so stay tuned, I guess. Currently utilizing this zoom here, optical zoom. We've got the orange LaFerrari flanked by a bunch of other LaFerraris. Gonna try to get a little for you guys way up here. Hold on, let me try to stand up. Here we go. Oh, there's a guy in the truck getting this shot, dude. Whoa. Yeah. Is it just coincidence, guys, or am I seeing things? There's a larger crowd around the non-Ferraris here at a Ferrari racing day. There's like 10 guys around this Aventador SV, and like another 10 guys around the Liberty Walk 458 and the i8 over there. But that's not to say there's not a lot of nice cars here in the lot here. We got a rose gold TDF right over there. I'm telling you guys, the Japanese, they know how to spec their damn cars. Now, respect to that. Correction, this is in a champagne color. The rose gold one has a black stripe that runs across the hood. Goes the fuckboy Panamera. Got the N-Attack Nissan GTR, the same one that Mr. Mira has. Now, OG subscribers, remember Mr. Mira. We visited his collection a couple times. Boy, the plate game here is quite strong. We got 458 meets 458. By the way, they're different provinces or cities, so they can't have the same plate. And someone's beatboxing in the background. Hold on, I'm gonna let you guys listen in. Hold on, just... Oh, someone doesn't... Oh, uh-oh, someone has blocked their plate out. Someone's being naughty. See, now that's an offense that Officer Pina would not appreciate. He'll be getting a front plate ticket right there. All right, there's the local cuisine at the Fuji Speedway, guys. I'm going to go with the curry rice with pork cutlet, 1,200 yen. It's around $11. Pretty good pricing here. It's an automated system. You go through like a little ticket thingy, put in the money, get a ticket, you hand it off to the ladies over here, and boom, your food appears. This is what 1,200 yen gets you at Mount Fuji Speedway, guys. A lot cheaper than the American venues where you pay like $10, $12 for a fucking hot dog. All right, guys, park the car over here. We're at a critical juncture here on the Speedway. For those who are wondering what this is all about, we're at the XX program, or the Corsa Cliente program happening, where basically a bunch of rich dudes, they buy these F1 cars, and guess what? They drive them around tracks around the world, like this dude right here. Bam! Number 79. Guy's a maniac, absolute maniac. Overtake, yes. Number 79, the homeboy. There he goes, overtaking. Come on, get him. Someone's just making a grand entrance right over there in a helicopter. Bam! And we got F1 cars on track. Here we go. Come on, step on it, son. Step on it. No? Nothing? Alright. How about this guy? This guy knows what he's doing here. Got a cream colored 488 here. Now there's a pretty special surprise right around the, not the corner, but just past that California T right there, guys. Just bear with me. Got a green striping right around here, guys, on this Ferrari, but the interior, bam, green as well. But you guys gotta check out this matte black 488. Oh, the wheels. Now this is very interesting, guys. Check out this orange striping. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Ew, it's like duct tape.
It is duct tape.
This guy's legit wrapped his 488 Spider in duct tape. We're doing a second pass at the VIP pit lane here. We got a 288 GTO and a 599 GTO that just popped out of the woodworks. Local cars apparently, and we got to get a closer look at that orange LaFerrari there, man. Chris Morrison and his buddy hooked it up with the Ferrari owner's pass, so we're able to get unprecedented access to all the VIP spots. So many thanks to them. Of course, man, dude, Japanese, they definitely know how to spec a good Ferrari here, guys. When's the last thing you ever even heard or seen of an orange LaFerrari running amok? But by the way, this never really drives, so I mean, all right, got the LaFerrari in orange right here, guys. It's triple layer orange, and it's got orange Alcantara as well. You can sort of see it. I don't have my polarizer. I'm gonna just back it up and zoom in for you guys, but you can sort of see it through the glare. But yeah, triple layer orange paint. This thing is pretty baller. We got another beautifully spec 70th anniversary California T. Check out the burgundy top in brown. Of course, it's got the standard seat covers as you do in Japan. Can you help me out here? What the?
Do not bagel.
Do not bagel here.
No bagels.
No bagels, okay.
So no
I thought it was like no bathing or something.
No bagels.
As with every vlog, guys, we gotta incorporate model cars. We got amalgam model cars over here. Check out the prices. It's 1.5 million yen. 1/8 scale. F40LM. Ooh, edition 32 out of 199. F50, 1.558 million yen, guys. And we got a couple cars on track. Second floor VIP access, but we spotted a goddamn hero all the way over there in the corner. Someone's brought an Aventador SV in that beautiful teal or greenish color, stealing the spotlight from all the Ferrari owners. So that's one way to gate crash a Ferrari party, guys. He left his doors open on the Aventador SV and just went inside. What a baller, dude. Got the sunlight shining down on all of us, and especially on this Aventador SV. It's got a Fighting Star sticker. Check that out. More flashy, more stylish. I respect this man. A brave soul indeed. This guy has a Powercraft exhaust in the rear too. Doors up, not a care in the world, guys. This guy is definitely rolling, and he's letting kids sit in the car. What a G, dude. He is living by the G code. It's got the Powercraft exhaust. Is it high performance exhaust? Don't stand near that thing. It's fucking loud. For those who are curious where Mount Fuji is, bam, right there, guys. The clouds have parted. Whoa! Holy shit! Dude, right on cue. The timing is impeccable. Uh-oh, casualties of war, guys. Someone made a boo-boo. Ah, very nice. Attaboy. All right, guys, the glare is actually pretty damn bad. I do apologize, but we got a Murcielago in pink. Yes. Check it out. He's got a massive Raging Bull on the front hood there. A Ninja, dude. Team a Ninja. Seen this a Ninja car yet. Goodness. Alright guys, moment of truth. The brand new CLS 450. Ooh, 2 thumbs down. Yep, I saw this at the Los Angeles Motor Show, and guess what? Nope. Yeah, they really, no, to be fair, it's a pretty nice color, but the back end is a little short, like the C63 and the E63. So the front 3/4 angle is pretty awful, guys. Ouch. Anyways, we're headed to Daikaku and Tatsumi relatively soon, so stay tuned for that. on that note, we'll be back tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for the support. Peace out, son. You guys, check out the name of this flatbed. Girls Underpantser. Oh my God.